So today I'm going to show you how to set up and copy your verification code on CSend for your Dr. X. Now let's open our CSend. When we open your CSend, the next thing we need to do is let's wait for the app to load. Then we're going to set up the account and copy. Okay, now so you need to use your email. First, enter your email address here. Click on sign up. Then there's a code here, so you have to go there. You have to go to your Gmail to go and get the code. So I'm going to open my Gmail to get the code being sent. Okay, you can see there's another code here. So I'm going to click on it, and this is the code. Okay, I think this is the code. Sorry, 209. So I'm going to go there and type it there. 209. And you can see it has automatically go. And you can see, click on next step. Next step, now you have to write your nickname. So I'm going to write my nickname there. Click on next step. Click on next step. You can see, click on complete. And this is it. So what you need to do is you have to join the Telegram. Just click on join Telegram. It's going to take you directly to the Telegram app. So it's very simple. Just wait for it to take you directly there. Once you take it directly there, you just have to click on join. I'm going to bring it here now. Now let's wait. Just click on join. Once you click on join, just go back, click on verify, and there click on close, and automatically we have done. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. We're going to come back to copy the we're going to come back and copy our verification code for Dr. X. Don't worry. So guys, see you next.